Hi everybody, I want to show you this pool robot that I just got. It's the MT-VIKI. It lasts 8 hours on a 4-hour charge. So it only takes 4 hours to charge it, but this lasts all day long. It's really nice because, again, like most robots out there, it does the floor, the walls, it does everything. It does have an attachment that floats on the water, and it uses AI sensors to check the pool and to set a path so that it can make sure that it cleans everything. And in the floater, you have the Wi-Fi or the remote. Yes, the remote. It has a remote that you can use if you want to go for a specific area in the pool. You can control it. You can go left or right, straight or back, and you can do just the automatic so that it will do everything on its own. You could use for just walls so that it will just go get the walls and just go clean the walls. You have the eco setting, which again, it saves some battery, so it just goes slowly and takes its time. Sometimes it will shut down, then go up again. Has a turbo setting, which then it just goes as quickly as possible. It lasts a few hours, so you don't have to worry about that. And I'm gonna put it in the water so you can see how it works. The good thing about having the floater is that you know exactly where it is. If you can catch it with the hook, you can always pull it from here. And again, it has the signal from here, so you will be able to make the remote control adjustments because the Wi-Fi and the receiver for the remote control is here floating on top of the water. Therefore, it has direct contact through the cord to your robot. So another nice feature that I wanted to point out are these big wheels with the thread. This helps it go up the walls and any obstacles that are in the bottom, like the drain, or if you have steps or something like that, this will go up and help you maneuver all those obstacles. It has a motor here that blows water, and that helps it adhere to the wall or, again, any of those obstacles. The other thing it has is that when it knows that it's running out of battery, it will go to the edge and it will stop right there at the edge to make sure you can pick it up and easier for you. So it's a smart technology. So to turn it on, we just push right here, and that's it. As you can see, it's doing the S pattern. It's gonna do that all around the pool first, and then it's going to start working on the walls. That's the pattern that I set it up for. So I'm gonna let it do that, the S pattern first, all the floor, and then I'll show you guys when it climbs the wall. So now that it's been working for a while, I'm gonna take the filter out and show you how good it did. All right, so this is the filter. As you can see, pretty big. Open it up, and one of my favorite things about all of these robots is the mesh that they have. And it's not only the leaves, but they pick up the sand too. So bugs, sand, leaves, everything. That's really nice. And one thing I forgot to show you is how I set it up with my phone. So I'm gonna put it right here. This is just how you can set the different modes. And also, all robots are pretty much the same. So now you're looking for just the brand or the price. The floor in a pattern, some of them have better sensors than others, but I'm really happy with this one. And I'm really happy with the other ones that I have tested. So it is just a matter of preference and pricing, because they are all very good. Filters are all pretty much the same. They're small mesh, so they can capture even sand. So for all of them, again, I can say there is actually no complaint on any of the robots that I have tested. I have no complaint about this one or any other. So I hope that you find them as affordable, as good quality, as useful as I do.